Right, taking off one of these doors with Perko closer on. Now, with installation you get a special tool that holds the chain like a little fork, but if you don't have that then you have to remove it. Search your toolbox for any, like a little Allen key or something. There you go. Got this Allen key that is just like one of these that you get free with installation when you're installing any sort of like a taps or whatever. So I'm going to use one of them. So all you do is you open the door as far as you can and just push that key in. There you go, that's locked. Now you can undo the screws. There you go. Now just undo the hinges, take a door off like you would normally do.